Verbal section has been a bane for a lot of students. I mean, a lot of students do find improving verbal section, and it was the same with me. I mean, I did find improving my verbal section once upon a time. So I was at a level where I used to score 60 plus percentile consistently, below 70 percentile. Two, I've reached a level where I've reached 99.95 plus percentile. Now, what brought about this change? How did this change come about? Let's start with trying to understand that. So my past, yes. So I have struggled with the verbal section in the examinations. Okay, it has taken me a long time to prepare and try to understand the verbal section. But yes, I've struggled even after preparation. I did a lot of time on verbal. In almost all my exercises, I had less than 50% accuracy in both RC and the verbal exercises. I should prepare, but it never showed in my results. So I should get a very low percentile even after preparation. My CAT score was below percentile as far as the verbal section is concerned. So did struggle with the verbal section. Though I had a really good score, good scores in other section, but my verbal score used to be a struggle. But then I realized that my score, I could get more than 99.9 plus percentile in verbal section more than once. I scored 99.96 percentile and 99.93 percentile. Now, once I could understand that it could be a luck, but twice and maybe even other times I scored more than 99. So that means not a luck. I mean, my scores have really improved in the verbal section. Okay, and I had done nothing in terms of preparation for verbal section. Nothing at all. I mean, I couldn't recollect anything specific that I did for verbal that helped me to improve the scores. I have not given any section test, no mocks. I have not been a regular faculty for verbal also. So my wife is a much better verbal faculty than me, and she takes up the lectures for verbal in my class. I take the mathematics and DILR section. So I was really surprised when my scores really shot up, and I didn't know the reason why. But then I started introspecting and find out why did it improve, or what was the reason it improved, so that I could accordingly guide the students. So I came across with three major things that I believe helped me to improve my scores. First, I like reading novels, not for CAT. I just like reading novels. Okay, and specifically stories. The major books I like is fantasy novels. I've read Harry Potter multiple times, Lord of the Rings multiple times. I do like reading these books. I've read mystery novels also. I mean, it could be kiddish, but I do like reading mystery novels on regular intervals. I've read PG Wodehouse, I've read self-help books, I've read autobiographies on a regular basis. I'm not an avid reader. There are people who read a lot. I don't read a lot, but I do read on regular intervals. I pick up novels and read whenever I like reading something. So I like reading, I love reading, and therefore I read. There was nothing to do with CAT preparation when I read some book. It is purely for my reading, for my understanding is that what I read for. So that is one thing that I did. I started reading because I love reading. Second is reading editorials. Again, this was not purely for CAT. It's mainly because I was training for GDPR VAT with my wife Rochelle. Is where I started, reading editorials. I mean, I used to read editorials. I like reading it because it gives you good insights. So when I started preparing for GDPR VAT, I mean, preparing students for the same, I had to be updated, and nothing better than editorials. So I used to read editorials. So some parts of the year, I should read editorials on an everyday regular basis, the whole page of the editorial, just to understand what was going on. So accordingly, I can train my students and guide my students for their GDPR practice. So that was my second part, and that's the reason I feel it improved. So I did read novels, stories, etc. And the reading editorials brought the diversity in my reading habits. I think that also helped in terms of reading. I do like reading editorials because it gives a lot of insights of what is happening around. Not only because I have to prepare students, but it helps to understand what's happening around, what are the actual scenarios. Initially, reading editorials becomes a little boredom, but as in when you read it regularly, your insights in terms of what is happening in the economy and the world of politics is amazing, and it helps. Third, that I feel helped me to improve was writing on Quora. I used to write regularly on Quora. Okay, this is basically to help students on CAT preparation. So you will see a lot of my write-up on Quora with regards to CAT preparation. So I used to write. When you write, it helps you to understand the language better. Because when you write, you have to form a language, you have to form a sentence, and you have to use the right words and the right this one. So need to introspect on grammar as well as vocabulary to some extent when you write, right? Initially, I was not, my verbal skills were not really good. I was not really comfortable with verbal. So I was not comfortable in writing at all. But a lot of people did ask me to write on Quora because they needed guidance. And therefore, I started writing small articles on Quora. But over a period of time, as and when I started writing, I started enjoying the same. Right? It's not that I was great at grammar, not that I was great at vocabulary, but as and when I started writing, the flow came across and I was able to write better and communicate better. So that helped. So basically, these are three major parts I felt that helped me to improve my scores. One was reading novels because I loved reading. Second was reading editorials purely because to give insights. And third was writing on Quora. There's nothing specifically I did for CAT verbal section. My writing was basically for preparing for CAT, mainly for the quant and the general preparation with regards to strategy. So that's the reason, that's how it improved. And what I believe it improved was when I read, I try to understand from the author's point of view. What is he trying to communicate? And when I communicate the same thing to others. So this reading and writing both help me to understand the language better, and it also helped me to understand a central idea of what the author is trying to communicate, right? So that is normally what the focus of CAT RCs is. CAT RC is nothing but trying to understand whether you've understood what the author is trying to communicate. All the questions are based on that. And if you're able to understand the CAT RCs well, I'm sure you'll be able to answer the questions also. So I also did a small change in my strategy. I mean, in the verbal section, I'll communicate that when the mocks comes across and when I'm giving you feedback on that. I'll make a separate video on it. But right now, this is what I wanted to communicate. So my focus was, and my improvement came across with reading and writing. If you can do that, I'm sure it'll help you to improve your scores in verbal. So do read regularly. Try to summarize if possible what you have read. It'll help you maybe in your interviews. It'll help you in your verbal skills also. Do that on a regular basis, and I'm sure over a period of time you will see a improvement in the scores in your verbal section. Thank you.